Hey guys, something bad just happened. My PlayStation might be broke. Think it is broke. And I'll show you guys how. Let's go. Look it. Anthony, you're stupid. Release garantitado. Nope. Fail. Oh dang, I think the TV turned off. Hang on. There. Take this game out. Oh, there's no game in there. GTA. You guys can't see. It's GTA though. Put it in. Things going in. Password. Dude. Oh, wow. It's working fine. Okay then. But another thing is, I gotta turn it off. Watch. Controller shuts off. Can't see it. System. This is a miracle. If it'll stop blinking. And it stopped. Well, that was a bit shocking. Didn't work any other time. All day today, all day yesterday. Every time I inserted the disc, it said wrong disc inserted. And today when I got done playing The Last of Us, see, first of all, it was only letting us play NBA 2K14 and The Last of Us Remastered, and GTA, Minecraft, and Advanced Warfare weren't working at all. I mean, I don't like Minecraft, but I was testing it. The only letting us play those two games. Any other game would say wrong disc inserted, and every time, what I did was I put my system facing, turned it up, standing. Turned it standing, so I need to get a stand for it now, because that apparently solved the problem. Left it like that for a few hours, took the plugs out, and went to go show you guys right now, and everything seems to be working fine. And that's why, once the game started working, I tried showing you guys the system, and it turned off fine. But if it happens again, I'll make another video of it not working. So, yes, this is also a way to solve your system. So hopefully this video helped. Please like and subscribe, and have an awesome day.